Most people never understand this. They spend their whole lives thinking being smart means memorizing a ton of information, quoting books, or getting perfect grades. But deep down, you feel something's off. Because you've seen people with degrees still make stupid decisions. And you've also seen people with high IQs collapse under pressure. And you've asked yourself, if they're so smart, why are they so dumb and do such foolish things? Here's the truth. Being smart isn't about knowing more. Being smart means looking differently. It's a way of thinking that most people never even consider. And today, you're going to learn that these 5 mindset shifts not only make you smarter, they make you more dangerous and more effective. The kind of person who, when they enter a room, changes the entire atmosphere. Not with arrogance, not with showing off, just with a quiet, calm power. Now, without wasting time, let's get into it. 1. Don't argue to win. Ask to understand. Most people argue like they're in court. They want to win, prove, dominate. Smart people don't play that game. They don't need to win. They want to understand. They ask, what made you think this way? What result are you really looking for? Have you considered this other angle? They stay calm. They stay curious. And because they don't attack, the other person opens up and starts talking. When people open up, they reveal their truth. That's the trick. You don't need to defeat people. You need to understand them. That's how real minds change, and that's what truly intelligent people do. 2. Don't get stuck in the moment. Zoom out and see the whole system. Most people see failure as the endpoint. They mess up a presentation and fall apart. They get rejected and lose hope. They do one exercise wrong and say, I'm bad at this. But smart people don't take it personally. They don't even call it failure. They say, this is data, information. They ask, what caused this to happen? What pattern brought me here? What can I change and try again? They see life as a system, not a series of dramatic scenes. When you zoom out, you see that nothing is final. Everything is just feedback. That's why they grow faster and learn quicker. Because they don't waste time feeling sorry. They're always busy improving their system. 3. Run everything through one question. Is this under my control or not? Most people exhaust themselves over things they can't control. Traffic, gossip, other people's opinions, the news. And the more they try to control what's outside their control, the more they burn out. Smart people don't do that. They ask, can I control this? If yes, they act. If no, they let it go. They don't fall into emotional or mental traps. That calmness you see in high performers comes from ruthless focus. And that focus comes from controlling themselves, not the world. 4. Be comfortable with silence. Have you noticed how some people get anxious in silence? They rush to fill it with jokes, chatter, noise, anything. But smart people own silence. They listen more than they speak. They let the moment breathe. They don't interrupt. They watch. Why? Because those who talk less usually know more. The less you react, the stronger you become. Silence is a form of power. It draws people toward you. It shows you things the loud ones miss. And most importantly, it keeps you in control. 5. Don't react. Observe first. Someone says something rude. Most people snap. Something unexpected happens. Most people panic and lose it. But smart people pause. They breathe. They look. They assess. And that short pause, that moment of observation, gives them an advantage. Clarity, insight, awareness of the situation. Reacting is easy. Observing is power. Because when you pause, you see things others can't. You become the calm person in chaos. And that makes you unforgettable. Final words. You don't need a PhD in anything. You don't need to be the loudest voice in the room. You don't even need to be the fastest learner. You just need to change your perspective. Instead of arguing, ask questions. Instead of panicking, zoom out and see the big picture. Focus only on what you can control. Embrace silence. Observe before reacting. That's the truest form of intelligence. Most people never do this. They just keep reacting and wasting their energy. But if you start building these mental habits right now, you won't just feel smarter, you'll become smarter and calmer. And you won't fall apart over small things anymore. If you understood these words, don't just scroll past. Leave a comment so I know you're part of that 10%. Subscribe, because this is just the beginning of unlocking your true self. Let the world chase noise. You're here to build silent power. And if you need a workout for sharpening your brain, your next step should be this video.